his first here in the Super League.
Looks like he's 13 right now.
Ciao. Ever in the super late models here at Pittsburgh's Pennsylvania Motor Speedway. Jimmy won a lot of his races in the limited late driving for this young man's dad, Cal Lucon's dad, Phil Lucon. Come out to congratulate him, and let's talk to the winner. Hey!
Hey, Dal.
Penguins ought to lose more often, man. See that? They get you fired up.
I can concentrate on this now.
But you've been really good the last three or 4 weeks.
Well, I tell you what, we've been working so hard with this open motor. We were junk last year, and we put our minds together and worked so hard. I got to thank all my guys, man. I couldn't have done it without them. My gosh, we worked so hard. And the last few weeks, this thing's been coming around. We almost had to win a couple of weeks ago, but cautions kill me. I don't know, it's me, the car, but I was determined tonight. Them cautions weren't doing me in.
I thought the same thing when there was a caution with 7 to go. I was thinking, Jimmy, just take off on the restart, because it seems like 4 or 5 laps later, you come back to life.
Yeah, that couple of weeks ago on the 25th, I fell to 4th on the restart and worked my way back up to 2nd. And like I said, tonight, I wasn't going to be denied, no how.
Yeah, what's this mean for you? Because you had a lot of success in the limited late models, and you know, sometimes I'm sure you say, can I ever do this?
I did. I said, can I? I don't know if I'm good enough to compete with these guys. These are the best. But I mean, all I wanted was one. This is all I wanted, one super late.
Now you can't quit. You got to get greedy.
Yeah, they probably won't let me quit, but like I said, we had some success in the limited lates, and I got me a super late win now. Gosh.
Long fry from that old Chevelle, pure stock, you know, things have changed.
Yeah, they've changed. They've changed. Well, this is still an old ride, so it'll be all right.
It was great. I was telling the fans, I can remember when you had the old Post-Gazette truck with that Chevelle on the back.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how you get here, but...
That's exactly right. It's only who's here at the end of the night. People you need to thank sponsor-wise.
Sponsor-wise, I need to thank Al Colbert with Colbert's Collision, Tire View Service, Mark Bloom with Bobby's. I just picked up George with Bud's. I can't thank him enough. Who else I got? Advance, they take care of me. We had the car down there at a showing a couple weeks ago. They're the best sponsor you could have. Motive Parts out of Homestead, PA. Everybody, all my guys, my Rich, my brother, my nephews.
Stretch's not here. He's not allowed back, man. He's been the curse.
He's staying in Punta Cana. I got to text him. Stay in Punta Cana, don't come back.
I'll go. He can come. A little seriously.
My buddy Dave, he's with me every weekend. Every Friday he's down there with me. He dedicates Sunday. He's down there washing the car with me. I can't thank him enough. Everybody, Eddie, I got to thank Eddie Bergoon. He builds my bodies. I got to thank Lynn Geisler. I got a wheel spacer off him on my right front. I got to thank everybody, all the fans. Everybody, man. I know there was a lot of people pulling for me. Man, this is great.
It is great. Now next week it's $4,000, so you got to get hungry again.
Yeah, I can get a new tire now for that.
All right, Jimmy. Jimmy Steffens, your winner for the first time in the Dilla Robinson Super Late Model.